Amy, Techin' for Dinner. We're gonna open up this iPad Pro 12.9 inch and see what's inside. I am so excited. I love Apple and I love iPads. This is 128 gigabytes, Wi-Fi and cellular. Let me get my handy dandy iPad box opener here. Oh, look, got it. Can you believe I got this? I'm so excited. If you guys have one, let me know what you think of yours. I would do a review, but it's just going to be all good news, so that would be pointless, wouldn't it? Oh, it's so pretty. I feel like the angels have come out to talk now. Okay, let's look in there and see. We'll go ahead and open this up. I love Apple's packaging. It's perfect. I think they have the best packaging. Well, lately I think other companies have jumped on board with getting the sturdy packaging. I mean, merchandising is everything after all, but it's good sturdy. I use these for everything, storing old things, giving gifts for Christmas, all those good things. So here it is. We're gonna open it up. It looks big, it's so pretty, look at it. Got the clean edge there. This has also got 4 speakers on it. There's 2 on this side and 2 on this side. You've got the power button, and then you've got the volume buttons here, and this is where your SIM card would go. If you do the cellular one. Let's go ahead and get the plastic off today. There's that Apple sign. Okay. It has LiDAR scanning, which kind of picks up the room and helps with the camera knowing the distance and the lighting. It is awful pretty. Got that edge-to-edge screen. I haven't set it up yet, but let's see what else is in the box here. I'm just going to set this over to the side. And of course, we've got designed by Apple in California. And then we've got the USB and the 12-volt duck head. I think it's 12 volts. Let me take a look here. Well, if not, I'll correct it in the video. Anyway, typical things that come with it. And then inside, so it also comes with the little pamphlet here that kind of just gives you some quick tips of where the control center is or the dock is and how you can swipe up since it doesn't have a button anymore, but you swipe up from the bottom to access it. But I think that's a little handy thing to have. It was nice of Apple to put it in there. And I must have a million of these stickers, so now I give them all to my grandkids. My granddaughter loves them. I kind of like them too, but I don't have anywhere to put them. Anyway, that's the paperwork. We'll put that back in there. And we'll see. I'll go ahead and turn it on. I haven't set it up yet, of course, because you just saw me open it. But we'll turn it on, and I'll do another video on setting up the iPad, but you just kind of long press the power button at the top here, and as you can see, the Apple comes on, and in just a couple of seconds it's going to say hello. And just kind of a fun tip, it says hello in many languages because of course it doesn't know what language you speak or I speak. So it gives everyone a chance to know it's saying hello and welcome. All right, that's our unboxing for today. I hope you guys liked it. Go ahead, click subscribe, leave a comment. I'll be happy to do other videos if you have any suggestions. Thanks.